To begin with, I would like to express my deep gratitude to Mahendran ji for having invited me and all the members of the dais. I also begin with the little apology that the language of Tamil Nadu is a alien language to me, so I will not be able to speak in Tamil. But I come from, if not Dravid movement, I come from the Dalit movement. So that is my, all the members of the dais and the brothers and sisters. Situation of not only our country but across the globe. We have lots of problems. And these problems are not reducing but day by day increasing. And these problems include, and on which that this conference also addresses, the organic farming related to the climate. But when we talk about the climate, I would like to mention it's not only the environment, but in our country, social, economic, political and cultural environment all are vitiating. Politics, which used to be very, very thought-provoking. Religion, which used to unite us. Culture, that we have such a rich traditions. Nowadays, all are at their lowest ebb. And this is really worrisome. While these problems are cropping up, response to these issues becomes the prime responsibilities of the movements, the people, institutions and organizations. Unfortunately, we are unable to respond to these challenges or the problems or the worsening of the environment effectively. The morality of the society is at such a low level that the leaders of the people who are supposed to lead us, they can switch over their thought process within a flick of seconds. They may be revolutionary at one point of time. The next moment, they can become reactionary also. So that is the level of the morality. What is there for us? We have to think in that way. All these issues, do we have any platforms? Do we have any space where we can get together? The corona was there. Corona, the COVID, that completely shattered all the processes that were built over a period of time. People got disassociated and institutional structure were fractured. So now we have hardly any collaborations or meetings or consultation where we could come together, we could discuss together. We can't even have platform to learn, to share our learnings. We have a very strong civil society, but civil society itself is very scared. SP Uday Kumar is here. You know what happened about 10-15 years ago with him and his efforts when he was fighting to bring the fact how nuclear power, construction of the nuclear power plant affect all of us. So therefore, currently the issue is what kind of the structure do we need where we can come together, we can share our learnings and we can work together collaboratively for the benefit of all. This is where the idea of the World Social Forum or the platform of India Social Forum can help us all. There are lots of people who are working on organic farming across the country, not only in Tamil Nadu. Yesterday, day before yesterday, I received a call from Bihar where they want to start organic farming there. The issue is the learning of the one place, how it can be shared with the learning of the other place. Is there any cross-cultural, cross-states, cross-ideological platforms that can bring these people together? This is where India Social Forum process can help. Last year in October, we had organized India Social Forum in Chennai. There were 74 programs organized by different groups. India Social Forum did not provide any specific directions. It was decided by the people of Tamil Nadu that what are the issues they need to discuss, what are the platform, what are the institutional structure they need to adopt, and what are their thought process that need to be shared with the government or the non-government organization or the national or international institutions. World Social Forum as a process began in 2001 in Brazil, where people of solidarity economy decided that when the people of the capital, people of the industry, people of the multinationals can get together every year in Davos, why can't people working for the welfare, benefit of the society get together at one place? So this is how the idea of World Social Forum emerged. World Social Forum is just a space where multiple interest groups come together. And this space is democratic, open space, where people can discuss freely, collaborate freely, and share their experiences freely. India had organized World Social Forum in 2004, organized India Social Forum in 2006, and very recently, last year, on 2nd to 4th December, the India Social Forum was organized in Bihar, in Patna. Tamil Nadu Social Forum and like the State Social Forum were organized in Maharashtra, in Uttar Pradesh, in Bihar, in Jharkhand, Delhi and many other places. And because this was very helpful to learn from each other, this was very helpful to bring active forces together to respond to the local, regional and national problems. And this is the space that anybody and everybody can use who agrees to the Charter of the World Social Forum. I will share the Charter of the World Social Forum with Mahendra ji, and he can later on circulate with all of you. And I request you to think about, because the structure of the political parties, structure of the most of the organization are very close structures. While these structures are necessary, but we need beyond this close structure to discuss and meet and collaborate with each other. Ultimately, what we want a better India, we want a better Tamil Nadu, we want a better globe. You know how people in Israel are attacking the Palestinian people. Thousands of the children have been killed. Thousands of the innocent people have been killed in Palestine. World over, people are opposing this inhuman attack. We know that Ukraine is in war for almost a year. So these situations are threat to not only to their specific countries or places, but also threat to the humanity, for the peace of the world. And World Social Forum express and like people to come together, and instead of taking up to the arms or taking to the other unbearable means of representation, they should discuss, come together and have amicable solutions together. But that will only happen when a free and open space is available. So we advocate for open space, and we work to provide space so that different interest groups, whether they are the Dalits, the Adivasi, trade unions, farmers, political organizations, not parties, organizations, they can come together, can share what they are working for. And they can express, they can bring their issues before everybody. So I invite you and I request that last year we had Tamil Nadu Social Forum in Chennai, and maybe we are organizing India General Council meeting in June in most probably in Nagpur in Maharashtra, And I would request Mahendran ji and other colleagues from Tamil Nadu to please join. Let us create unhegemonic, where there is no hegemony. Create unhegemonic, friendly, open space where we can discuss and explain ourselves and learn from each other freely. Thank you very much.